Hey guys, what go on? Welcome back to Blakewrtv Kitchen, and you know it's your boy Chef Blake, your host. Today guys, we have some real nice, authentic Jamaican Caribbean style strong back punch. So may I say this strong back punch guys is something where I grew up on, so may have the authentic ingredients, and today guys I'm sharing it with you. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have, this is the aloe vera guys. Aloe vera, product of Mexico. So big up all the Mexican people in the house. This came from Mexico. Yeah, you can get this in the Caribbean as well. This is the aloe vera, has many health benefit guys. So yeah, many health benefit guys. So today we are gonna use this in our punch. So here's aloe vera. Over here guys, we have, this is the Grace Irish mash right here, right? Seaweed Irish mash. We have some corn. Gonna use some corn, and we have some almond breeze over here, almond milk blended with real bananas over there. We're gonna add a little bit of that. We also have the real banana in the house, so yeah. We have a Guinness right here, and over here we have some nutriment right here.
My
also
favorite drink.
Nutritious drink.
My favorite drink.
So yeah, my Guinness right there. And over here guys, not last but not least, but we have our oatmeal, right? Instant oatmeal. I was looking for the whole grain, but they didn't have the whole grain, so it's gonna work with the original. Ain't no big deal. Over here we have the peanuts. Right here, these are the raw peanuts, guys. This is one of the main ingredients because this is like a peanut punch type of drinks, along with the other nutrient them. So it's gonna be real good. Over here we have our blender. We have the
Ninja.
We have the Ninja blender right here, guys. And trust me, this blender right here have the real blade. Here it is. This is the Ninja blade right here. So I make like the Ninja movies.
That looks scary.
Yeah, so we're gonna use this to do some real good blending. So let's get started. So guys, we go through and remove the raw peanut from the shell. Put them in that container over there.
I want to see what it looks like inside. It looks good inside.
Yeah, this is the peanut. Put it over here. Okay guys, so here's the peanut right here. I already take them out the shell. Now it's time for me to go ahead and wash them. Come over the sink. The reason why you want to wash them, guys, these are the raw peanuts. These are not the roasted peanut or anything. These are the raw one. So you want to wash them properly. So now that my peanut is washed, guys, time for me to go ahead and put them in my Ninja blender here. There we go. Okay guys, so here's my, this is my Irish mash. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Irish mash in at this time. Sea moss. Sea moss is real good. A lot of health benefit in sea moss. So yeah, get that nutrient. Okay guys, so at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and have a banana here. I'll put a banana in there. These bananas smell sweet. So yep, that's going in. Okay guys, here's the corn, sweet corn. We're gonna go ahead and put it in here. Okay guys, so this is the time we're gonna go ahead and put the nutrient in.
My favorite drink.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and add it in here with the Irish mash and the banana and the corn and the peanut. Guys, listen, don't add water in here. I see a few people start add water at this time. Don't add any water, guys, because when you start to add the other ingredients, sometimes the blender is overflow with too much liquid. So don't add any water. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead.
I'm excited for this part.
I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in the meantime.
I'm excited for the blending part.
Okay, get the Ninja closed properly. Start the thing up.
The floor is shaking.
So guys, this is how they make these instant oatmeal. I don't know what's going on here. I'd rather the Quaker oats meal, but
The Quaker is better.
Yeah, I can't get the Quaker in the store, so I have to work with whatever they have, and these are the instant. So go ahead and put a few of this sachet in here. This would look like instant oatmeal. So let's go ahead and put it in here, guys. I'm gonna put about I want to put about 2 or 3 of them in here. You definitely need the oats in here. Instant oats. I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 of them in here. This is the 3rd one, guys. So 3 of these in here. And if you don't know the size, I'll let you know how many ounces are them. You know, a little. Okay, guys, now it's time for me to pull this Guinness here. What's going on? I don't know if you pull Guinness again. Or this is not good.
You don't remember?
Yeah,
there we go.
Okay, time to pour the Guinness in here, guys. So you see the Guinness have water. Everything have liquid, so you don't want to add no water. See?
No.
That thing is almost started full up already. And that's one of the reasons why you don't add water to it. And water it down. You want to get this thing as strong as possible. The real authentic strong back juice. Okay, guys, time. I'm going to put a little bit of this almond breeze, almond milk with real bananas and all the good stuff. I'm going to go ahead. Let me shake it up a little bit. Give it a little shake.
A super good shake.
And then we're going to open it. Put a little bit. This is my favorite one. Probably because of the banana. Yeah, just a little bit. Just like that. Right,
we don't want it to get full.
Okay, guys. So what we need from up here, we need a little nutmegs right here. Put it down here. And we need some vanilla right here.
Some vanilla.
Some nutmeg and vanilla. And we put a little bit of allspice. So here's the 3 of them right there. We have nutmeg, vanilla, and allspice. Add that to it to give it that taste. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put about a tablespoonful of vanilla in there. Not too much.
We don't want it to get too full.
My nutmeg is the powder one, so you don't need to grater it. You know, some people grater it. You don't need to grater this. This is all already grated. So you put a little bit of nutmeg in there. And a little bit of allspice. Remember, allspice is made by the pimento with a little kick. Yeah, that's a little bit, not too much. That's good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon, not too much, just a little bit of cinnamon in here. Just a little bit, little pinch of cinnamon, just like that. All right, guys. So
this is how to
aloe
wash
vera
it.
is left out, guys. One of the major ingredients. So we're gonna wash it, make sure we get it nice and clean. And yeah, this right here, guys, is one of the major ingredients. You don't want to left this out. And I almost forgot it in my juice. You know, I'm gonna tell me, man. I'm gonna comment in the bottom and let me know where I go and start.
I forgot to tell you.
All right. All right, let's cut this right here. It's aloe vera right here.
I thought nothing was gonna be looked inside.
Peel this back. So for the aloe vera guy, you just want to scrape it. Just like that. Scrape it to get the juice out of it.
We need all of the juice out of it. All of the juice. Now we are taking our stuff inside. Now we have our eggs.
And here we go, guys. We're going to take 2 eggs, break them. This is what the real Yardman strong back juice look like. If you not put no egg in the thing, something is wrong. Yep. This is what it look like. Real strong back juice. It's another piece of the aloe vera, guys.
Now we're about to blend it.
Alright guys, this is the final blend. We have eggs in here, we have our vanilla in here, we have our cinnamon in here, we have our oatmeal in here, we have Guinness in there, we have the banana in there, we have almond breeze in there, we have the nutrient in there, we have the Irish mash, the sea moss, guys. This thing is loaded. Let's go.
There's so many stuff in it. And that is pretty loud. That looks pretty.
Okay guys, so time for us to put in some condensed milk for sweetener. Put a little bit of condensed milk in there for sweeten the thing. So yeah.
Now we are about to put our condensed milk.
Okay guys, so we're gonna add some more condensed milk to give it a little bit more flavor. So we add a little bit more condensed milk. Yeah, that should be good. That should be good. Look at that, guys.
It looks super good.
Look at that. I'm gonna show you what it looks like without blending it. Stir that thing around. Yeah.
That looks super good. Now we're gonna put our drink into this glass. That looked good.
Alright guys, this is what it looks like. Real strong back punch. Yeah, sea moss, Guinness. You see all the ingredients, guys. Real good. Delicious, refreshing. Yeah, they call this Jamaican Viagra. For a reason. This is the real deal, guys. This ain't no fake thing. This is the real thing. Tastes so good. Real refreshing, guys. Remember, you get it right here on Blakewrtv Kitchen. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, a like, share, and subscribe to the thing, guys. Alright, love all of you guys. Thank you for being here and thank you for watching. Bless up and peace. Next video coming soon. Yes, aya. Cool na aya. Real Jamaican Viagra, guys. Real Jamaican Viagra. Yeah, the sea moss, the condensed milk. Yeah. Trust me. The aloe vera. Yeah. The banana. Yeah. The corn. Yeah. The almond breeze. Real banana. Almond milk. Yeah. The ice on the rock. Yeah. The Guinness. Oh, you there? Yeah. The bananas. And all the spice. Nutmeg. Allspice. Cinnamon. Vanilla, what I'd say. Yeah. Nutriment. Yeah. Energy style. Yeah. Everything there. Yeah. The Ninja blender. Yeah. Yeah. Real juice. Trust me. You know I miss this, guys. Strong back Jamaican Viagra. For all the man them and the woman them we need the extra boost. Yeah. Alright, I said there. I'm Blakewrtv Kitchen with Chef Blake. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Support the thing. Until next time, bless up on yourself. Yeah, man, I forgot the peanut. Yeah, raw peanut. We not deal with no baked peanut. Everything raw. Natural ingredients. You get it just as it come. Organic style. That's what I say. No bake nothing. Natural raw peanut. Yeah, looking good.